Hi guys, mo din akong pagkaon karong buntaka, dala na paniud to. It's around 10 o'clock in the morning. I went around and around today but I can't decide where I go. So I have a big sandwich here as you can see. This is a normal sandwich. But I put 2 slices of thin turkey meat and a piece of cheese. And then I have bell peppers, tomato, lettuce, and onion. Let's start the day. Then I have this. Ana lang siya. Oops, di mapiko. Wait muna. You wanna see my big bite? Tagak sila guys. Oy. Ha! Ha! This sandwich is not easy to hold. Ooh, look. I make this I make this sandwich. If I buy this to the restaurant, costs a lot, at least $6, $5, $5.99, $5.49 or $6.99. For here, I just made it myself. The bread is only 75 cents plus cheese, tomato. It's cheaper. Save talaga pag marunong magluto or maggawa, no? Tapos kung half lang din ito, parang gugutomin ako. Malakas kumain eh. Matakaw. So, let's see. Very fluffy kasi guys. See? Dahil yung tinapay, may dirty palang nails ka. At yung tinapay, parang foam lang yan eh. Naka-squeeze. Hindi solid. See? Thin lang yan. Pinilagyan kong maraming vegetables. Kahit high carbs itong tinapay, mas ba pa rin. Joke. Oh. Matamis. Sometimes, mag-crave ako talaga ng ganitong tinapay. Magsawa ka din sa sliced bread. So, tapos, sa ano, minsan talaga, di mo, gusto mo yung kanin, minsan ayaw mo ng kanin. Mabuti sa Pilipinas, there's a banana that we can get. Pero wala eh. Pailin-ilin ba? Kaya ka ba kapoy mag-usap? Yung onion, kainin natin. Maganda sa katawan. Masarap ang sandwich pag may gulay. See? Tapos kagabi ang kinain ko hamburger. Parang nagsawa na din ako sa pagkain. Ah, wait, may pagkain na rice and fish and pork, rice and pork, rice and chicken, rice and beef. Minsan gusto mo din kakain ng ganito. Sandwich. Saka mo sa kapos. Last week ko pa itong nabili, walang kumain. Ang tamis, guys. Kahit high carbs itong tinapay, at least kakain tayo ng gulay. Ha? Organic itong tamatos at saka sili. Galing sa garden. I hope you guys in the Philippines, you can plant vegetable in your yard or in the pot. Pag walang, if you don't have a lot, plant din in a pot. Try no medicine to, chemicals in your plants. Para organic. Dito sa states, especially when the states like Illinois, Michigan, Wisconsin, Indiana, the West Coast, it's cold. So when the summer comes, everybody's excited. A lot of us are excited to plant vegetables and fruits because it's much healthier. We can secure that there's no chemicals, you know. My video is very long na. Unti na lang natira. Little bit left. So, thank you for watching. Maubos ko ito. Bye!